as you see, it doesn't get easier, alright? I've been waking up between 5:30 and 6 in the morning, past 5 months, 6 months, and it doesn't get easier. Alright guys, so this won't be a day in like my morning routine video. This will just be a day in the life. I will do a separate one for day in morning routine, sorry. So this is only a day in the life, alright? This is how I wake up. This is how I do it every damn single ass day, alright? So it's, what is it? It's, yeah, 6:03 a.m. in the morning. Let's start the day by, as you know, if you follow me on Instagram, let's 20 minutes of reading. Alright guys, so I just finished the first work session. I just answered some emails in the process of hiring a graphic designer to my agency. So I had like 30 people that I was deciding about, but like, are they qualifying or not? Because yeah, like, I outsource, I want a cheap outsourcer, and you know, like, I want to keep my margins high. Why should I hire somebody really expensive when I can outsource it to somebody in India? Like, we have so many opportunities. So anyways, I have a few graphic designers now that I'm interested in. One is from the UK, one is from Argentina, one is from the US and India. Yeah, just qualifying them and see which one does the best work. But now it's time to drink some coffee. And if you know me, I'm a big coffee guy. And guys, after I'm drinking up my coffee, I'm gonna do like 40 minutes of more work. And if you want to know what work means, I'm not doing any campaigns for clients right now because the campaigns are set. I'm just, they are delivering the outcome that I expected and they expected. So you do campaigns until you find a campaign that gives result, and then you leave it. So that's fun with my business, you know, social media marketing. It's when you find the campaign that works, it's so passive. Like when I have exams, usually I prepare everything. I have the campaign set before, and like 3 weeks ago when I wrote my last exam, I didn't even work on my on the client's work. Like I didn't even do any client work for like 10 days. Nothing happened. And the results they came in still because I have set up every campaign is up and running, the systems are in, the retargeting is on place. Just just watch it, all right? So that's really cool. But I know I look like shit, but anyway, I've booked I'm gonna work out in 40 minutes. That's why I'm only working 40 minutes more. I'm gonna hit like a workout with a group, like a group workout, and it's actually yoga. It's a workout called Hot Mojo, where they heating up the room to like 40 degrees Celsius, and you do different yoga positions in 40 degrees Celsius. It's really hot and you're sweating a lot, so it's nice just to relax. I usually like to mix up my training. I don't only lift heavy because I get so stiff, so yoga is nice. Alright folks, so yeah, we're ready, and it's Friday today. I don't know which day you're watching this. You know, I pre-record my videos. Anyway, time to go and hit the yoga studio, gym-ish. Yeah, really looking forward to it. I wish I could film, but my camera would probably, break because the room is so heated and it's so warm. So let's go for the yoga. Alright guys, so I'm home from the yoga. I'm dead because it was so hard. You know, the room was heated, so I lost a lot of, water. So yeah, just made myself a shake. Just some bananas, some protein powder. Just gonna relax for a bit and then get back to work. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm sorry if this video is kind of ruptured, like I'm jumping into different scenes. I'm not used to doing these kind of videos, so I'll get better. But now so I just took, I drank my shake and I took it easy. Gonna go back to work. Right there I have some emails to answer from a potential or from a few potential clients, and after that, like what time it is? It's like 11:45 a.m. So you've seen how much I've gotten done, like since 6 in the morning, just because I woke up so early. And 1 o'clock I have a meeting, not very far from my house, so I'm gonna put in some work now and then go to the meeting. So yeah. Alright guys, so I've been putting in some work, I've been interviewing a few freelancers. Now I'm sending them a short little project with a deadline to see if they can deliver, because now I think I have 5 that I can choose between because they're all so good. And at the plus side, the test task that I'm giving them is actually work that I need for a client, and I won't pay for it because it's maybe you're thinking, okay, you're using them, but hey, I need to give them a test work. So why not give them something I can use at the same time? So because I need some graphics for my clients. Yeah, it's a win-win situation, and I have 5, so hopefully I'll find 2 or 3 that I'll work with. Yeah, and now I need to get dressed because I have a meeting in like 30 minutes. So let's get dressed. What is up guys, so I'm home from the meeting. It went really well. It wasn't a client meeting. I had a meeting with a fellow marketer, all right? He has like 30 years of experience in marketing. He has worked with Gary Vaynerchuk. I think you know who Gary fucking V is. He's from Scandinavia like I am, and I'm looking for someone to mentor me within marketing. I have mentors, but not within marketing. So I met him. I told him about myself, and we got along really well. So we're gonna just keep in touch, help each other out and stuff. Really interesting guy. Like he has built his agency. He has an agency with 12 employees. So it's good for me to get help from somebody that has been in my position. So that was cool, but now I'm really tired. Like my head hurts, so I need to catch some sleep for like 30 minutes because then I have some like a little bit of work to do. Then I'm taking out my friend. I'm actually surprising him. I'm taking him out for dinner because he didn't without even knowing, he referred me to a client which I signed for a month ago, and just as a thank you, I wanna surprise him, and because it's in business, it's important if somebody gives you a lead or something which you close. Even though it's my friend, I just want to buy him dinner, so I've booked tables at a really nice restaurant. So before that, I need to catch some sleep. See you guys. What is up guys? So I just woke up for my 30-minute power nap. Funny enough, haven't taken a power nap in the last 6 months or a year, but I just have this headache, and it's not strange. I've been running on 5 hours of sleep, waking up 5:30 a.m., 6 a.m. in the morning every damn day, grinding 6 to 12 hours, working on my business, working out, going to meetings. It's been really hard, and some weeks you feel better, some weeks you feel not. And I wanna wrap up this video because I'm not doing much more after this. I'm just putting in an hour of work, then taking my friend to dinner like I told you. Guys, you've been with me the whole day. It's like 3 p.m. now, and you've been with me. You've seen that everything, I've been constantly grinding. Every move I've made today has been to take my business to the next move, to take my health to the next stage, meditation, yoga, reading, working, meeting. Some days, or no, a lot of days are like this. They're really boring. And I follow a lot of entrepreneurs online, and a lot of people are lying. They're lying, they're not showing how it really is. And this is the reality. This is as raw as it gets in this video. And guys, to be honest, it's really lonely. I've been in entrepreneurship officially a year now, but I started 2.5 years ago with a friend. We started a clothing brand, but seriously, a proper year now, a year and a month. And to be honest, I feel really lonely sometimes. I feel really depressed sometimes. I feel really bad sometimes. Like my mental health is not so good, that like it's not good sometimes. And I think if people knew how bad my mental health can be, they would be scared. I think my family would be scared, because I think it's the reality. I think every entrepreneur feels really depressed in different stages, but they just don't show it, because it doesn't matter if you're already a millionaire or if because when you're a millionaire, you want to get to billion, and when you're in my stage, you want to make your first 6 figures or whatever. You want to, yeah. You always think, what's the next move? You always have that in the back of your head, and you can never relax. And whenever you're not moving forward, you feel stuck, you feel depressed. You're like, why isn't this working? And you get so depressed. And sometimes I just feel so bad mentally, and it's the reality. I don't know what to do with myself. But I'm smart enough to understand that it's not permanent. It'll go over. I have different tactics. I put my body in shock. So I won't give up, believe me. And I'll share those tactics in another video. But this is the reality, guys. Yeah, and it's not much more to it. It's a lonely road. It's a lot of hard work. It's sleepless days, headaches, fucking, I don't know, chest pain, anxiety, depression, stress. It's the reality. I know. I don't know what to say. Maybe you think you expect something else, but sitting at the desk 12 hours a day, 10 hours a day, trying to scale the business, it's the freaking reality in the beginning.